Hey everyone, long time no see. It's been about 6 months since I last talked to all of you guys. I figured I haven't done my makeup literally in like 3 months, so I figured I would just put some makeup on and talk to you guys and catch you guys up on my life. So first off, I want to say thank you to everyone who has been commenting on my posts, sending me messages. You guys have all been incredibly sweet. Everyone's been very supportive and genuinely very nice to me here on YouTube, even though I haven't been even putting out videos for you guys. I'm so sorry. I'll go more into that, but I'm also trying to make this not a 40-minute long video. So let me catch you up on what's been going on now, and then I'll retreat back a little bit. So in case you can't tell, I got a new scar here, got some baldness going on. I unfortunately relapsed officially in January, and it's been a very intense few months. I finished my very last treatment in October on the 31st, on Halloween. I ended up going to the hospital because I had a fever. They were worried about me being septic or anything, infection going on. It's typical protocol the minute you have a fever, especially if it's 100.5 and you have no immune system like that, they have you go to the hospital to make sure that you're not having any infection, any deeper lying issue that could be happening. I was having a ton of lung issues. I wasn't able to breathe very well. It would hurt if I took a really deep breath. And we didn't quite know what the problem was. We did a lot of tests. I was in the hospital for about a week, and it ended up being that I was having lung inflammation. They thought it was probably due to the chemo regimen I was on, which is ABVD. The B stands for bleomycin, and bleomycin is known to cause toxicity to your lungs. So I went on to steroids and gradually started getting better. I mean, it was a really slow uphill climb at first, but I did start getting better. Sorry, I can feel little hairs all over my face, and it's because all my hair's falling out. I think it's peach fuzz. So then I started going on with life. I didn't start work until January, but on the 26th of December, I felt a lump on this side of my neck in my doctor's appointment. And so we got me a biopsy for January, and it came back positive. So I actually made quite a few videos. I made the first Birds of Paradise video like 5 times, and I never posted it because I hated the way I looked, and for some reason, like, the video was not coming out right. I also made a video a couple days after my surgery of this biopsy. You can still see the scar a little bit. I made it, and I don't know why, I just couldn't get myself together to post it. But yeah, basically the story is I relapsed. And I know that's not a laughing manner, but coping mechanism. So now I am on a new chemo. It is called ICE, I-C-E. Do not ask me to repeat what each acronym stands for as of right now, because I cannot remember, and then an I is like emosotide, so I don't know, something. And we are getting me ready for stem cell transplant. I will be getting that hopefully within the next couple of months. First, we have to get me to complete remission before I can have that. So yeah, that's the news. I've only had 1 chemo session so far of my new chemo regimen of ICE. I didn't make a video because, 1, I slept almost the whole time. ICE tends to be inpatient chemo, and I was in the hospital for 4 days when I did it. And I didn't really know what to video because I just sat there and slept, and I felt like nobody wants to see me sit there and sleep. So I've thought about maybe making a video for like what to pack or like what to expect for ICE, but I feel like there's not really a whole lot to video with ICE. I don't know, maybe that's just me imagining, let me know if you want to see what it's like to do inpatient chemo with ice. I do think I will video the stem cell transplant because even though it's a long stay in the hospital, it's about a 30-day hospital stay. Depending on which hospital you go to, I know some hospitals do outpatient. I live really close to my hospital, but I'm getting it done at a bigger hospital, so I won't be super close to the other one, but they also don't allow outpatient. So I will be doing inpatient. And it tends to be about 30 days depending on your immune system, how well you take to it, how well your counts climb up. There's a lot that tie into it. Each person's unique, but it tends to be a 30-day hospital stay. One of the things that I kind of struggled with in fall of last year was I didn't want my channel to be just cancer, but I also didn't want it to be just, thank God I'm not a professional YouTuber and I have to stick to one or the other. This is not my income. That'd be cool, but it's not. I think I'm just gonna post. I really do enjoy making these videos. I enjoy doing makeup, but I also don't know if I want it to be like my whole channel. So I'll probably do cancer videos here, makeup videos here, and anything else that I want to do, I will just do. For those wondering, I managed to donate 52 pencils because of you guys back in October, for the eyebrow class that I attended at a nonprofit cancer center here that we have in the Bay Area. It was amazing. It was really fun. I was not teaching, thank God, because you guys have seen, obviously, I can't do eyebrows for shit. But I was able to donate pencils, and it was great. It was really fun. There's a lot of older women there, and they were talking about how, like, they never used eyebrow products before, and, like, they didn't even realize that there was products that they could use to, like, mimic eyebrow hair and stuff. And I was also wearing fake lashes, and they were like, oh my God, I wish I still had lashes like you. And I was like, guess what, I don't have lashes, but this is how you can get lashes. And it ended up being a really great and fun day. One of the reasons why I had a really hard time uploading, like, I made the first Birds of Paradise video that I talked about, I made that video, no joke, about, it was either 4 or 5 times. I just really, I don't know, I was really self-conscious. I didn't like the way the video was. It just didn't come together the way I wanted it to. Not the makeup, just the video. Also, I was feeling just super overwhelmed, not with YouTube, but with kind of social media, mostly my Facebook and Instagram. I was getting messages from either people that I knew, but it was really overwhelming to the point where, like, now I don't even want to text anyone or message anyone, even people I know. Like, my boyfriend will text me like, hey, I'm on my way home from work, what would you like for dinner? And I don't even answer half the time because I don't know what it is. I think it's like being overwhelmed when you're isolated at home and your only source of communication is like through your phone sometimes, or through your laptop or whatever you're using, Instagram, Facebook. For me, Facebook was a kind of a big issue because I had so many acquaintances or family or like friends of friends that would message me through it, and it was hard because they would send me things saying like, how's the cancer, or other messages like that mean well, but at the same time I was getting really frustrated and didn't know how to answer them without being rude, because I just don't like being unnecessarily rude if I don't need to. I also was getting random Instagram messages saying, hey, I don't know you, but I really want to hang out with you. Which at first I was flattered. I was like, oh, thank you for, like, that's really sweet that someone want to hang out with me. But they would message me saying, why can't we hang out? Like, I really want to hang out with you, to the point where it got really creepy, and I would have to block them. So that was the other thing. Everyone on here on YouTube has been awesome, but Facebook and Instagram got a teeny bit overwhelming. I think I'm just gonna do green because it's March and St. Patrick's Day is this month. It's an ugly green. Zoom you guys in a little bit while I do eyeshadow. So that's basically kind of what happened. I just got a little overwhelmed and kind of needed a break, and now I think I'm good. I don't know how often I'll be able to upload because this chemo really wears me out and it hasn't been easy. So I think it's just gonna be a little bit of a process for me learning how to handle making videos if I want to make videos, and just making sure I'm taking care of my body and my health. I'm not gonna lie, when I first started I was like, I can make like 16 million videos a day. Try me. And it's not like that at all. It is hard to make videos when you're lazy and sick, like me. By the way, this isn't any specific look, but I like this look because I feel like I can be lazy because I'm about to throw on some glitter and changes the whole look. I just love green eyeshadow. I don't know what it is, but it's glorious. I really thought this video was gonna be super long because I would be non-stop talking, but now I don't really know what else to say. How are you guys doing? Anything fun going on in your lives right now? If so, I would like to know. Also, for all of you that commented about Coda, yes, he's doing good, and I'm very aware that he's super cute. He is such a good dog. I still have my eyelashes. They haven't fallen off yet. They're not as nice and full as they were before I got diagnosed, but they came back a little bit. Try to avoid falsies for the day. So I guess I will make the video about the stem cell transplant because as of right now, I know kind of what goes into it, but not a whole lot. So if it's helpful for people, then I will gladly try and make videos about it, so that way people who either have family members or friends going through it, or yourself, you know, if you're about to go through it, then you know what to expect. It's a very interesting process. I also did get comments on my videos, people saying that they have family members or friends, or that they're about to go through chemo, and seeing the videos helped. So we'll try to figure out how to make videos on these different things without overwhelming myself. And you guys know the drill. Still not a lipstick person. Don't get me wrong, I love lipstick on other people, but too lazy to wear it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for your patience. I don't deserve it, but thank you anyways. Just bear with me. I might make more videos, I might not. I would like to, especially about the stem cell transplant. So thanks you guys for helping me out, being amazing, and I'll see you soon.